Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Diecast Chronicles. In today's video, I'm going to teach you a concept in Hot Wheels, that is how to unbox or uncard the Hot Wheels in such a way that your card does not get damaged. There's only few things that you'll require. That is, you'll of course need a Hot Wheels car. I have chosen Bugatti Bolide. Then you will need a nail polish remover, preferably with acetone in it. Then you will need a cotton. So these are the only three things that you'll require to unbox your Hot Wheels in such a way that the card does not get damaged. So let's see if it works. As I said, you'll need a nail polish remover. So it's with me. So just remove it. And then you'll need the cotton. So just make sure that you dip the cotton in the nail polish remover. Don't dip it too much. So you just make sure that it gets wet with the nail polish remover. So now it's wet. So the only thing that you require to do is on the card that you see here. So there's that packaging here, right? So you just have to apply the nail polish remover here at the back so that this part gets wet. So you just have to apply like this so that this gets wet, and then you leave it aside for some time. So I have applied it here and then leave it aside for some time, and it will probably take around 2 to 3 minutes for that reaction to happen. So now in the meantime, so let me tell you what is the science behind it. The simple thing is that in nail polish removers, there's a chemical called acetone. So acetone is the chemical which is required in this so that we can unbox the card. You can unbox the car without any damages. So what acetone does is that it reacts and it breaks the molecules between the glue and the cardboard. So that is how you can easily remove it. So this is one of the best ways that you can unbox, so that many people they prefer to keep their cards. So if you unbox it in normal way, the card will get damaged. But if you do it in such a way, it will be very fine and there will be no damage on the card. So you'll have to wait for around 2 to 3 minutes, and then we can continue with it. We set it aside for around 2 to 3 minutes, and then this is the result. So you cannot see the wetness at the back. It has almost dried. But the important thing is achieved, so you can actually remove it. So this is how you can actually unbox it. So let's remove the car. So I have removed the car. So look how cool it is. And before I show you the car in much detail, look at the card here. There's no damage on the card. So anyone that sees, they can spot no difference. So this is the best part. And once if you want to put it back again, you just have to lift it and you can place the car back. So this was a quick unboxing tip. And now let me show you the car in great detail. Look how nice it is. This is the Bugatti Bolide. So the paint job is actually very nice here. And this is probably one of the first uncarding that we are doing. Please do like, comment and subscribe. So this is the Bugatti Bolide in a wonderful color combination of black and red. So look how nice it is. Even the interiors are very cool. So let me know in comments what is your opinion. So we have successfully unboxed it. And mind you guys, there are few nail polish removers which come without acetone, and if there's no acetone, this will probably not work. So that is the caution thing. And if you get bored with the car outside, you can always put it back. So this is the very good advantage in this method. Now let's do the rolling test as we have removed it out of the card. This rolls actually quite well and I'm satisfied. So this was it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and do check out my other videos and stay tuned for more Hot Wheels videos. See you guys in my next video.